show you how to renew Indian passport in the UK. So in Google, simply search for Indian passport renewal in the UK. You can then click on the first link, which is VFS Global Passport Information. On that page, you will find the option to select issue or renewal of passport. So click on the following link. There you can choose your continent and the country you are in. To begin the process, so you will need to register. So once you have successfully registered, you can log in by using your details. On the next page, click apply for an ordinary passport. Here you will be asked to choose between fresh passport or renewal passport. So click renewal passport, as well as the type of application, normal or tatkal, and type of passport booklet, so 36 pages or 60 pages. So better you choose 36 pages only. So next page, you need to fill all your details. So first name, surname, and your date of birth. Fill as per your old passport details. And place of birth. And here is an option, is your place of birth out of India. Click no. And employment type student, so because I'm a student, so that's why. And education level. So and after that, if you have other details, you can give your Aadhaar number. So and after that, agree. So and save application and click next. So here you need to fill all your family details. So your father name, so surname, so fill as per your old passport details, because I did mistake. So in the VFS, so again I fill the new application form. So if you did any mistake also, so again they're gonna correct. So after that, you need to give your Indian address. So whatever you mentioned on the old passport, so specify the same address only. Mobile number, so if you are in outside UK. So after that, you need to give your police station address also, that is the nearest police station. And after that, you need to give your UK address. So here you need to give your Indian address and the UK address currently where you are staying. So and after that click next. Here you need to give your emergency contact details. So you need to give your parents details or your sister or brother details and mobile number also. So every time you need to save your application, and after that click next. So here you need to give your previous passport details, so like passport number, the place of issue, and date of issue and date of expiry, and you need to give your file number also. So it contains 15 or 16 digits. That's you can see back side of the passport details. Give as per your old passport details, because I did one mistake as in my application. So I mentioned my birthplace as wrong. So and after that I fill new application again. So after that it will ask, do you have diplomatic passport or not? So click no. And after that have you applied for Indian passport, and it's a refuse, so click no. So and after that click next. So here, so I think you need to select no option for most of them. So but anyways, so check once carefully. So otherwise you just simply click no for everything. So and after that save application and click next. So this is the application preview. So after filling all the details, you can verify to ensure that, so this is how your details will appear on the passport. So you can check it once. So if you are married, then you can mention your spouse name also. So if you want your spouse name on the passport, then you have to take your spouse passport and Xerox copy also. And after that click OK. Then so you can see all the details and you can verify once. So carefully check last name, that means father's last name and mother's last name. So mostly many people did mistake in last names only. So and after that you just click agree and place. So you mention, so I'm in Northampton, so I mention Northampton and date. So you can mention any date. So and after that click yes. So once you submit the application, so this is your application reference number. So by using this application reference number, so you can book for appointment. So and after that click home page. So here you can click that application. So once you click that application, so this is how it look like. So here you can check all the details. So and after that you can take one printout to this copy. So by using this application reference number, you need to book appointment. So for booking appointment, you no need to pay anything. So in the VFS only, they can charge you amount. Okay, thank you.